Good morning. We are officially in lockdown, so I have decided to randomly vlog. Will it be for the at least 3 days in lockdown? I will do my best. I've got plenty of activities organised and things to do. I just gave my husband a run through this morning because it's still the weekend. I'm just grabbing the vacuum cleaner to take upstairs because I'm just doing little tiny tasks throughout the day, and all the beds are made. This morning we've decided to wash one of our cars, and then we're going to come inside, play out the back, do a few things. My husband, he actually has a podcast, so Little Miss will have a nap today. Husband will edit his podcast, and I'm going to take little man for a bike ride. At this stage we are allowed out to do like physical activity within 10 k's of our home, so I think we're just going to do like a loop, like a 2k loop round and round. So I'm going to go jogging with him, and he's going to ride his bike. I will wear a mask for as long as I can. You don't have to outside, but I will play my part and wear one to be extra cautious. And little man has that mask as well. He's under the age of 12. He doesn't have to wear one, but I'm going to ask him, and if he wants to, he can join me in wearing a mask and doing what we can. I find every lockdown that we have gone through, I think this is our 4th lockdown, and our lockdowns have only ever been quite short. We haven't actually gone through a long one yet, although I think this one may be a longer one. But it's so strange. You wake up in the morning and it's just a different sound outside. I don't know if anyone's gone through a lockdown before and they've noticed from the day there wasn't a lockdown and then the day there was a lockdown, there's no cars. Well, where we are anyway. When we go into a lockdown, it's pretty hardcore, and I think everyone plays their part, but it's so quiet. You don't hear cars, you don't hear traffic, and we're not in like a main road or anything. You hear kids playing in the backyard. It's a different feeling, and you know it's in a lockdown kind of a vibe. But I'm gonna vacuum the rooms quickly this morning. Everyone has made their bed, so we're organized up here. We're gonna wash the cars and just get on with day lockdown 1. I feel like I should be saying episode 4 or something. But anyway, we will just take it as it comes and do our thing to keep everyone safe.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
Alright, cars are clean. The kids are playing at the front with my husband, just tidying up a few things. I've got the news in the background on the updates, and look, there are definitely more cases coming in, so I'm guessing lockdown's going to be longer, which I'm preempting anyway. Why I'm telling you this, I don't know. But I'm going to do some baking today. And I'm actually going to do probably more of a complex baking. I'm usually like real simple, easy things. I have never made this before, but my mum used to make this all the time. And I called her last night. I'm like, where is the marshmallow shortcake recipe that you used to make as we were growing up? And she still makes it to this day. My dad heard me say it in the background. He's like, I want that made tomorrow. So my mum's making that for my dad today. And my mum's like, it's in the book. So this is a book my mum, hello, got me many years ago. It's a New Zealand cookbook. It's called an Edmonds cookery book, and would you believe it, there's the recipe. So I will write this recipe in the description below. I'm not going to talk through each step because it is more complex. I need to focus on it, but I'll do like a fast forward so you can see the process of me cooking it. So the kids have just come in. They're actually going to rearrange the back deck. They want to create a new cafe. So kids and hubby are going to do that. Otherwise I probably couldn't do this recipe with the kids because it requires 3 minutes of beating, heating to a certain temp. Like there's a lot of steps involved in it. So very lucky it's the weekend and I can do it today with some help. But I might show you some befores and afters of what the kids do outside as well.
that ass back. You can't go back, that ass so.
We're back. All done. Are you hot and sweaty? Oh, I think we went probably 6 or 7 Ks.
We're going to a million.
We went to 1,000,000 Ks. It felt like 1,000,000 Ks. We actually have like a heat wave here at the moment. I think it's like 27 degrees, which is really warm for winter. But we were trying to time it, so I wanted to go out for a run, take him for a bike ride. My husband has work to do upstairs to edit his podcast while little miss sleeps, so 1 o'clock was just the time to do it. We're gonna go have a cold drink. Alright guys, if you can hear that noise, the afternoon. It is the afternoon. I'm gonna leave the video here because there's nothing more for me to do apart from cooking dinner tonight and cleaning my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed day 1 of series, whatever I'm up to in our lockdown, and we'll actually talk tomorrow. Bye.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering.